welcome back to my channel. So today is week 4 and I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my scalp while I'm in box braids. So I'm going to be starting off by washing my scalp with apple cider vinegar and water. And so you could just use any little spray bottle you have. And then we're just going to be spraying it in between the lines. And as I spray, I'm just going to be scrubbing it with my fingertip, but I'm just not going to be rough on it because we do not want frizzes. So you're just going to spray and just do this.
I just like the sound of it.
So while I'm doing this, I just start off by just soaking the whole hair, and then I go back into the areas that are sensitive. So my scalp is kind of sensitive when it's being exposed, like as it is now. So I tend to have little bumps over here. So what I would do is I would go back and I would wash that out. Okay, now that I have put apple cider vinegar in my hair, what I'm gonna do next is I'm just gonna leave it on for about 10 minutes. Then I'm gonna wash it out. So I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have washed my hair, I'm just gonna dry it. So I'm going to be using sulfur 8 around the areas that are more sensitive on my scalp. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to be applying oil. And this is my oil. I will have the link down below. So I'm gonna go in with an EdgeWax, and I'm just gonna fix up my edges. So it looks fairly new right now. And so what I do with this product is I put it on my hair and I try to rub it in because it is thick. And if you don't rub it in good, it's just gonna look white all over. So the next thing I'm gonna do is use my pink oil moisturizer hair lotion all over my hair.
I don't wanna hate you, but I gotta. Wish I could have been just what you wanted. Should've cut it off before we started.
make sure you put it all over the hair because you want your actual hair to be soaked in the lotion and kept moisturized under the hair. Last thing I'm gonna put in my hair is mousse.
It's all that you got for me.
And this should help with the frizz. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil on my tips. And when I say my tips, I'm talking about my actual hair. So the next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wrap it, and I'm gonna show you guys how I go to bed with my hair.
I don't wanna hate you, but I gotta. Wish I could have been just what you.
So next, I'm just gonna tie it with my silk scarf. Just gonna go right under. I'm gonna bring it over. So this is the most comfortable way that I found out that I could go to sleep most comfortably and not have tender head like over the night or just right when I wake up in the morning. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys back next week. And Happy New Year. Please don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and see you next week. Bye.